Hi, welcome to Pinoy Swiss Abroad. If you're new to my channel, please try to watch in full before subscribing. Thank you. As per my previous video, we are now on a different place called Rotorua. I have some older videos from last year, so if you're keen, please check that out. Rotorua is one of the city under the region of Bay of Plenty in the North Island of New Zealand. It is also a geothermal location just like in Taupo and other places here in New Zealand. So if you like nature, geothermal locations, adventures, lakes, rivers, mountains, and if you happen to be here in the North Island in New Zealand, just come here in Rotorua. And just to let you know, Rotorua and Taupo is just 1 hour away from each other. After the lakefront, our next stop is the government gardens. I have previous videos about this from last year, a dedicated one about this place, so please check that out if you want to know more. Coming here is all free, there is no entrance fee, so you can have fun with your friends and family. Along the way, you will find the Arts Village and other communities. This is one of my favorite stops, which is the Redwoods. It can get eerie at night, but don't worry, there is no wild animals here in New Zealand. There is no snake either. And just to let you know, in the dinosaurs age, there is giant birds here in New Zealand. So it's mostly birds here and no wild animals. Next stop, Rotorua Heritage Farm. You can book a farm tour or book a 3D gallery inside, and also it's just across the gondola. I will explain more in another video. You can relax here on the coffee shop and restaurants nearby while the children play. And this is the 3D gallery. And yes, of course, across the farm is the gondola. Amazing scenery, isn't it? Just like in Queenstown. If you don't know yet, please check my Queenstown travel series. There are a lot of adventures you can do here in this Ngongotaha mountain. If you're a keen biker, bring along your mountain bike. And the last but not the least, that you can enjoy nature therapy here in Rotorua is called the duck tours. This is not sponsored. Para sa mga kababayan ko, yung mga ginawang jeep nitong panahon ng Hapon, ito naman po ay ginawa nila from the World War II, then ginawa nila namang transportation sa tubig. Basa-basa lang po pag may time para may matutunan. Amazing, isn't it? And if you want to know more about nature, geothermal locations, and other tours, please go to this tourist information. I'm sure when you're here, you will find more things to do here in Rotorua. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button. There are more things to edit, and there are a lot of tons of travel vlogs for you to enjoy. Please support me. Thank you.